Alright, now we're going to start on the transmission. Bag D, step 19. Alright. Let's see, we need this. We need a spring. We need all three of these. And then we need a couple of these. So we need that. We need MA 16 washer. Is that the size? That's the size. So that, this. J1. J1. That's going to be probably on a tree. Well, that's fun. There's Y. There's Y. Tell me why. Wait, is this J? E. It's E. Not J. That's E. Dang it. What's J? Not any of those. Is it a plastic piece? It's a plastic piece, maybe. Alright, found J. It's the white, milky looking piece here. And what do we need? J1. J1. J1's right there. Alright, cut that off there. Cut that off there. Alright, so we got that. Nice. We might be needing more from there, I'm thinking. Because we're gonna, yep, we got the rest of the transmission pieces on there. Okay, so we got the E-ring washer, that, and we need, this goes in between, and then that, and then, what rod goes there? Not that. This? What rod is this? I guess these? That doesn't look right. That's for the main gears. There's a metal piece somewhere. Found it. This is it. Alright. Now that, okay. So this E ring goes on the end of this rod here. Let's see if we can clip it on here without making it fly. These are so much fun. Did I get it? No, not even close, dude. Come on. Oh, these things suck. Come on. There we go. All right, then washer. Spring. That goes that way. And we have. Does it matter which way that goes? I don't think so. Does that go like right? Do I need to grease? Let's see, there's that part. I need to grease this. Well, let's get the clips on first. So that, and then we're gonna do this. Right? Yep. Only 3 more clips to go. Or rings. Come on. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to try to use the table. Because this thing is just moving and tiny. Get it? Yes, there we go. Oh, okay, yeah, that one's in. And then this. Goes right next to it. Sorry if I'm clearing my throat a lot. I think it's allergies. It's probably pretty annoying. We have this. And then we have spring. And then MB05 washer. And then another clip. I might have done this wrong, the front of it. Because I've got the washer on, the spring. And then I don't know if that, let me see. Let's flip to the next page. Oh yeah. It does go down. Okay, so this goes down to this one. Yep. I've got to move that other E-clip. Oops. Down at the end. Alright, can I use a tool? Can I use a 2L? Just don't scratch up the shaft. There we go. And then this one comes down here. Yep. Yep, that's fun. It's gonna be easy. Nope, it's not. It's not gonna be easy.